In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear Google Chrome history on your computer. So one of the reasons why your Chrome browser might be malfunctioning or getting slow is because of browser history. Now you can relieve your browser by simply clearing this history and it will be good to go. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. To get started, just go and tap on these three dots on the top right corner. And from here, look for the option called history. So if you tap on it, you'll see we have history here. Go ahead and tap on history. Now this will list all your browser history on your Chrome browser. Now you can go ahead and delete one by one by selecting what you want to delete and then click on remove. Alternatively, if you want to clear all the history, just simply head over here and then tap on delete browsing data. If you tap on this, you'll have an option to select the time range. For instance, we have here the option for the last hour. However, if you tap on this, you can select various time parameters such as last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or even lifetime. If you want to clear the whole browser history, just go ahead and tap on all time. And this will go ahead and clear all the history, including browser history, cookies, and cached data on your browser. To complete your deletion, go ahead and tap on this delete, and it will go ahead and delete all the browser history on your app. So if you go to another new page, we shall have a fresh new page that you can begin to browse. By doing this, you'll have fixed all the challenges you are incurring or you are facing with your Chrome browser on your computer. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.